This is a product video for PID Pro Series ProBuffers, and here are the details. The unique container comes with 20 buffers. There are 10 standard rectangular shape buffers for dry applications. They are 1 inch wide by 4 inches long and are for standard wrap films. The other 10 buffers are to be used wet and have wingtips for extra protection. The size is 1 inch wide by 5 inches long, and they are for safely applying films like chrome, PPF, and textured films. Both styles of ProBuffers come with removable adhesive for easy replacement. Either side of the unique ProBuffer container can be opened, and then either ProBuffer can be slid out. To avoid exposing the remaining ProBuffers to dirt in the workspace, be sure to seal the container and place it in a dry location. The standard rectangular ProBuffer has an even, soft felt layer that is uniquely thin and durable. The wingtip ProBuffer is thicker in order to hold moisture for long squeegee runs. The standard ProBuffer fits on all types of squeegees, which gives installers the ability to adapt with confidence. To release the liner, the key is to pinch the corner. This will lift the liner enough to easily pull it off. Take the desired squeegee and place exactly half of the ProBuffer on one side. Use a finger to seal it in place. Flip the squeegee and round the top edge with another finger run. Next, pinch the corners for a tight seal, then finish the middle last. Double check that the thin edge is even and tight, and now it's ready for install. Before the next wrap, the ProBuffer can easily be pulled off the squeegee, and if there is any adhesive residue left, the old buffer can be used to pull it off. The wingtip ProBuffer can be released in the exact same manner. Once the corner is released, the liner can be fully pulled off. Then place a ProBuffer adhesive side up on a flat surface. Set the edge of the squeegee exactly in the middle. Once set, flip the squeegee up and, anchoring the ProBuffer in the middle of the squeegee with a finger, pick one side up high and hook the corner. One style is to pinch the corners, then pull the wingtips down and seal them on the squeegee. Once set, do the other side in the exact same manner by picking up high and hooking, but here the wingtips are pulled down first, then the corners are pinched. Either method works fine, and once the corners are set, simply run a finger on either side of the squeegee to seal the middle, and it's ready for application. The glide solution for the wingtip ProBuffer can be baby shampoo and water. Spray it down in a low traffic area, making sure that both sides are fully loaded with soap and water so it glides easily and stays wet. Once the wingtip ProBuffer starts to show wear, it's time for it to be replaced, and to do so, simply pick up one of the wingtips and pull off. There'll be little or no adhesive residue left behind. The wingtip ProBuffer is ideal for use on films that have a sensitive face, like unlaminated chrome. Once the film is set, the ProBuffer is loaded with the glide solution, and the installers can squeegee with firm, overlapping squeegee strokes. With the wingtips protecting the corners, installers can use a wide variety of strokes at different angles and not worry about scratches or adhesive streaks. The ProBuffer can even use the moisture from steamers to maintain the glide on the surface. Once the ProBuffer starts to drag, simply spray both sides to load it again and then continue the install. Here the ProBuffer is safely applying gloss carbon. The thinness of the edge and the wingtips allow installers to work farther without heat, and the sensitive face of the carbon remains scratch-free. Now we switch to the standard ProBuffer that can be used for the majority of wrap films. Here, a gloss color change film is being applied. The soft felt allows the squeegee to glide across the surface with little effort and minimizes scratches to almost zero. The thin edge helps installers wrap curves with no heat, which avoids overstretching, as well as form moderate recessed areas quickly without adhesive lines or bubbles. The standard ProBuffer can easily cross over from vehicle wraps to a wide variety of other installs in a wrap shop, which includes window perf, walls, floors, and cut vinyl. By having a ProBuffer on several different types of squeegees, the installer can adapt to each application, which can lower install times and avoid damaging the film in tight spots, like when feeding the window perf into the molding of a roll-up window, or when sealing the film on the edge of a gas cap. For more information on the PID Pro Series ProBuffers, you can go to this URL, and to find distributors worldwide, click here. And on Instagram as well as Facebook, you can search for @PID Pro Series. This has been a product video for PID Pro Series ProBuffers, proudly produced by the Wrap Institute.